How to pay on Google AdSense. Open Google and in the search bar write Google AdSense. Enter the first result. Click on Get Started if you do not have an account. If you already have one, log in by clicking on Log In. Once inside the account you will find yourself on the home page. In the left menu click on Payments and then on Payment Data. Here you will find your current balance and your latest transactions. Click here on Manage Payment Methods. In the screen that opens, you can remove the current payment method by clicking here, or add a new one by clicking here. If the video was useful to you, leave a like and follow the channel.